Hey, wanna know how to open hidden apps on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, we will need to open settings on our phone and here find a tab name of which is security. Click on it and here scroll down until you'll find this tab named privacy and app encryption. So we would need to click on it and enter our privacy password. As a next step, go to this tab which is named app hiding and here enable this feature name of which is view hidden apps. Here you can also choose if you would like to verify privacy password every time that you are trying to open hidden app, but I'll leave it like this. As you can see, I got hidden only one app and that's my gallery aka album. So let's test it. We would need to take our two fingers and swipe up like this to see the hidden apps. Here I would need to enter my privacy password and only after this I'll be able to open the hidden app. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.